Sinulatan ko, yuck. Garbage, please. You know why? Pakita ko sa inyo, ha?
I'm number one.
You probably cheat, hon.
Yeah, okay.
Because she loves you so much without love letter.
Yeah. Good morning, Philippines!
I thought it's gonna be really strong.
It doesn't need to be really strong.
Under there.
Well, I can't dip it too far because it's not really meant for
Hala.
It's meant to froth milk, which, again...
Is it for milk?
Yes. It's
Look what happened. It's like a beer. He's drinking his apple cider, lemon, and 2 other things over there. Naka-coat ako, guys. Good morning. Dahil inopen ko yung mga bintana. Kasi naano ako, nahilo. I'm going to drink water early. Kasi yeah. I still have to make a thumbnail, guys. Nagtapon lang ako ng basura. Ang aga pa, 6 o'clock. Nagising ako 5. So, yun. Continue tayo today. Pero, bago nyan, balik ako sa taas. Matulog ako. Kasi ako pang matulog. So, balik tayo sa taas, matulog. And, yun. Nagtapon ako ng basura. Kasi ang daming basura, hindi natapon ni Tami. Kasi every time, di ba, punta siya sa bahay namin. So, hindi niya natapon all the time. So, ang dami. So, ngayon, nilagay ko sa malapit sa kalsada para ma-pick up. Kasi early kasi dito. Yung garbage dito, sobrang early talaga.
A few inches later.
So, ngayon, ito pa rin suot ko kasi maginaw, guys. Nakalimutan kong magdala ng ng sweater. So, ngayon, naka-coat tayo sa loob kasi I open the window kasi, guys, sumakit ulo ko sa asawa ko, sigarilyo. Sumakit. Ayaw ko na. Anyway, guys, ngayon, guys, mag-ano lang ako. Continue. Continue tayo dyan. Ito siya. Sa bahay to. Ito siya dito. Ano to, guys? Ang dito, guys, gamit yan ni Tami. Mga wires, mga tools. So, pabayaan ko na lang siyang Anyway, good morning pala, Ginoo ko, Lord. So, pabayaan ko lang siyang idala niya yung mga gamit niya na dubli-dubli na, dublikara, gusto niyang dalhin mga pangit, mga dapat na itapon. Pabayaan lang natin yan kasi ako yung makaka-heart attack, makipag-away pa sa kanya, na hindi naman ako mananalo kung makipag-away ako sa kanya. So ngayon, pabayaan ko lang siya. Yung basement, pabayaan natin siya. Kapag may time talaga ako, pag nandun na lahat, nakatira na kami doon, nakatira na siya doon, pabayaan ko lang siya, and then slowly ako yung i-clean doon. I-clean, tatapon, slowly, and then arrange everything. Whatever. So, bayan na. Basta wag lang talagang ganituhin yung bahay. It's time to say goodbye. Charger ng GoPro battery, oh. Okay, over there, I charge. Hala, why is that down? I charge it over there. I'm going to just do time-lapse, guys, okay? Kung maglilinis ako, time-lapse lang, guys, para hindi matagal sa video. So, yun yung plano ko. I-time-lapse ko lang kayo, and I'm going to use, it's dark here, so I'm going to use the Canon, but I have to charge this battery. What?
It's too much weight for that, I guess.
Is that too much weight?
Yeah.
Did I put it in the floor? Give it to me.
No.
It's good now? Okay, I'm going to charge this too. Oh, shit, I forgot. You don't have any more. Are you going upstairs?
I'm going to do this.
You're going up?
Yeah.
You sleeping over there?
I'm going to put this upstairs. I don't have any more what?
You don't have any more, like...
I'm just going to leave this upstairs.
Do you have extra over there?
Yeah, but I'm going to leave it up there. I don't want to bring it down.
So, I guess, hindi ko to i-charge muna. Kasi wala akong adapter. So, can you bring me a sweater?
What?
Bring me sweater, please. Thank you. So, yun. And, so, binigyan niya ako ng sweater. Yung sweater niya. So, I guess, ilagay ko kayo dyan ulit. It's your turn. Come up. You are my religion. Come, it's a nice music.
Come in. I could seat you by the fire. Listen, listen. There's something I must confide. I know I said that it'd be fine. I know I made it look like it'd be alright, but I think I learned my lesson, and I'm not gonna let you out of my sight. You can call me killer, 'cause I'll bring you to the light. And it might taste bitter when you're answering to God. You can call me killer as you look.
Okay. No. Show me.
Where's the box?
And that's what it is. That's what happened.
Show me the box. What box you want to take?
There's nothing yet.
Into my eyes, nothing but a sinner. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away
Itong asawa ko, bisita-bisita dito. May ice maker, okay? Sira. Bago to, sira. And meron doon. Doon din sira. Bago din yan, sira. So, dalhin daw niya to. So, ayaw kong dalhin niya to. Pero kasi dalawa, sabi ko, dalhin mo isa. Pero basura na yan, guys. Alam nyo. So, sabi ko, itapon mo yung isa. Pipili kang dalhin mo at pipili ka ng tatapon. Kaloka itong asawa ko talaga. So, paano ko ito i-timelapse ang dilim? GoPro yung gamitin ko, guys, ha? Para ano, pero madilim eh. I-on natin itong light dito. First meeting namin ni Tami, ito yung sinuot ko. Nakakala niya motorcycle driver po ako.
It's me, Brian.
You remember this?
Here.
What are you doing?
I got an email from the event tomorrow, and Fred was supposed to email me the details on it because I have no details.
I did miss the dress. Come here, give me your legs. Roxy, move. Roxy, move. Good girl, Misty. Good girl, Miss. Good girl. May damit na si Misty, guys. Look. Pero this is for baby. This is for baby, baby. She's looking at me. No, she's so behave. You behave. Okay, let me take this off. Okay, let me take it off for you. Okay, good girl. Let me take off the other side. What a good girl, Mitiko. Give me. Oh, good girl. Oh, hubo naman na Misty ay naghubad man, oy. Sexy man na baby, oy. Hubad-hubad man. Hubad. Oh my goodness.
This is the liner from one of my jackets.
There's a girly over there too.
Hmm?
There's girly liner there.
This one?
There is one under one.
No,
This one.
No, those are all from my jackets, on different jackets.
You need more.
I only wore the liners on when it was really cold.
I put everything there that need to bring home, but stay here for what? Anyway guys, so ito guys, magandang robe guys, sobrang komportable. Brand new ito guys, look, brand new. Maganda siya as in. Kaibiyanan yan, itatapon ng kapatid ni Tamin. Kaya dalhin mo yan, nagagalit. So yun, sabi ko, dalhin ko to, sayang naman itapon bago. Brand new, pati yung mga pajama ni Bian na naalala niyo to, suot-suot niya to. Mga pajama, dinala ko. So, dalhin ko na lang yan para masuot. Parang maalala natin si Bian palagi. Para hindi ko naman yan makalimutan eh. Ang hirap kalimutan. Hindi hirap kalimutan, but anyway. So, yan. And, hindi ko alam kung anong plano ngayon. I think mag-change oil kami sa sasakyan ko. And, may nakita akong brief. Tami yan. Ang pinakamahirap dito ngayon, guys, yung linisin is, well, ito, mahirap. Pero yung sa basement, kasi ang dami. May, dito yung cake topper namin, guys, eh. Yung cake topper namin sa wedding, and dito pa, oh, ng cake, wedding cake. This is ours. This is from our wedding. And this is what we cut our cake. Look, this is it. Huh? This is here. This was in Isabel's room. Hala, dog. Baby, no, baby. Baby, no, baby, no. Sinulatan ko, yuck. Garbage, please. You know why? Pakita ko sa inyo, ha? I think napakita ko na to noon. Pero ipakita ko ulit sa inyo, ha? I will cover some because it's very... But this one doesn't need to be covered, look. But if you open... Oh, look. If you open this, it's a Playboy magazine thing. Like, if you open this, there's a lot of, like... Look. Madalian lang, ha. Look. Kay ano ito, sa kapatid ni Tami to, guys. Noon, gusto ko siyang i-keep. Alam nyo bakit? Kasi yung iba dyan is yung cover girl na ano, yung mga mamahal. Kasi yung mga sikat talaga na artista. Andun. So, ngayon, ayaw ko nang mag-keep. So, itapon na lang yan siya. Yan, basura po ito lahat. Ito. Yan, mga ano yan. Alam nyo guys, ang daming mga DVD, mga desk dito, oh. Mga good movies. Isang box. Malaki po, no? Ito din. And I think meron pa sa labas. Yan, ito, dalhin namin ito din sa bahay, guys. Dito siya, maganda siya, look. Linisin mo lang siya. Change the ano, bili ka nito. Yung iba't ibang color. Merong gray, merong white. Ibang design, yon. Pero, yun, maganda kasi siya, look. Meron pa sa bahay, actually, mga 3, 2. Ang daming libro ni Bianan, guys, yung mga ganito, mga babasahin. Ang dami, pero itapon namin kasi, ang dami kasi. Card galing sa ex ni Tami. Sa card ni ex galing sa ex ni Tami, look. Your love means everything to me. Love is said is just a touch. A look that says you mean so much. A word, a smile, a loving phrase. Love is said in many ways. Dearest Tommy, if I should say it means so much to see your smile. I'll feel your touch. I hope you know I'm trying to show you're everything to me. If I say that I had fun, enjoyed the many things we've done. I hope I hope you know I'm trying to show I'm as happy as can be. If I should say that deep inside I filled with such special pride, I hope you know. What? I'm trying to show you've made my dream come true. And even though I seldom say the things I feel for you, it's the I hope you know I'm trying to show I'm so in love with you. You are my everything. The love of my life is I love you. Love.
Oh no!
Taxi!
Para akong baliw guys ba? What? Okay. Whatever. Galing sa mga ex.
And these nights are getting shorter. Lack of energy I'll conquer in my soul.
Naghanap talaga si Tami ng Burger King, yung Impossible Burger na patty siya pero hindi siya meat. So, nag-crave talaga siya guys. So, yun yung hinahanap niya. And magpaano kami oil change. Kasi yung sasakyan ko is need oil change na. And yun yung gagawin. So, ito yung ipakita ko sa inyo ha. Ito hindi ko galawin kasi sila na yung bahala kung ano yan. Marami pa dito. Let me see. Look, ang dami pa. Mga ano ito. And ito. Dalhin ko to sa bahay. Mga papel pang printer. Christmas decor. Cereal. I'll probably give it sa mga iwan ko kung sinong gusto niyan. Kasi ayaw kaming kumain. Pero hindi ko yun itapon. Ibigay ko na lang yan. Hindi pa man expire. And sapatos dalhin sa bahay, mga chinilas, mga ano kami, mga sapatos hindi pa suot. Basura. Ito siya basura kan. Ito din basura, kaibiyanan ito never used. Dalhin sa bahay at saka may doon pa. Dalhin ito sa bahay, basura. Yung ano guys, yung kita ninyo guys, sa sister-in-law ko na yung bahala. And ito ba yung dining chair, ito. Ang ganda niyan guys, very strong. Ganda niyan. So, I don't know kung anong plano. Dalhin ba yan sa bahay or para ipagawa namin ni Tami. Ipa-change color and i-change yung settings at saka sa likod yung cushion at saka yung sa likod change. And dito lang yan kasi dalhin sa bahay, papel ni Bianan, papel ni Tami. Dito dalhin ni Tami sa bahay. Ito hindi ko pa nagalaw, mga paper niyan. What? What's wrong?
I figured you were down here because you brought them in.
Because they keep noise making bar.
6'5", you're just making noises now. Who are you kidding? I can tell. I can pull on it somewhere.
If you drop half, please hurry up. Guys, hili ng drive, guys.
Well, I'll drive and you run it.
No, you drive,
See,
you run
you know
it.
what? The problem is I can't park.
Do you know
over
where it is?
Kind of. Am I driving and you just switch seats when I get there?
Yes, please.
Something wrong with you? Okay, fine.
I'm worried, guys.
Hey, hon.
Oh, I thought it's 2.
I told you press number 1. You're 2. I'm number 1.
Don't. No, you're 1. Seriously? I should be the one. I'm the one
You press
who
number
owns
2,
this
you
car.
didn't notice. You press number 2, you didn't notice the seat didn't move.
I should be the one. I'm the owner here. You're still going to say, I'm the owner, hon. You don't own it. Guys, my husband, guys, this is the life. Don't marry American. He tells you to drive, guys.
It's such a couple. Not like it goes bad. Battery
Expires,
died.
hon.
It expires. No, it could dry out and crack, but you'll know when it does that. But that kind of material I use doesn't dry out that easy.
Because of this craving. I don't know why he's craving. Why? pregnant, hon? Honey?
I used to go out and buy a jar of pickles and some ice cream.
And I see a letter from Lee.
Yeah.
A love letter for you. I read it. And then I make it like a poem. You're my everything. That's mine. That's my word. You're my everything. All the women say that. All women say you're my everything.
You'd be surprised.
Huh?
You'd be surprised how many.
You're my everything. She said, oh, I'm so lucky to have you. That's why I cheat on you. No, honey, she's not really cheating. You probably cheat, hon.
Yeah, okay,
Because she loves you so much without love letter.
yeah, the words are easy. They're cheap. Cheap and easy.
Cheap and easy.
She married that guy eventually.
What guy?
She was
Cheating with?
yeah.
How do you know, hon? Are you still worried? What, are you still contacting her?
No, I think that was an announcement
Announcement of what?
in the paper.
To announce
Like a
people?
wedding announcement, yeah.
Seriously? To let everybody know your exes that you're married eventually?
Yeah, wedding announcements.
I thought it's only like death.
No.
So yeah, I read it to them. It's funny, but I ripped it after. Do you wanna keep it and frame it?
Yeah, I think not.
Huh?
I think not.
It's already ripped. I can put it together.
Yeah, sure.
So I'm gonna keep coming here to pack, to clean up, to stuff to do like that. Anyway, guys, so this is the thing. We early. It's not early, guys. It's almost 12 o'clock. I've just been busy downstairs. That's why I don't even realize.